Guys,
I called you like 3 times. Yes, I did.
are y'all ready?
Yes, I did.
We have a fun key.
I called
And, wait. So we have a slime key. And I'm excited. We also have a free lemon, which is exciting as well. I'm gonna try to go. I think there's a vault up there, which I'm gonna go to right now. So because I'm so excited, like I am, drop a big like, drop a tremendous, I don't know what, but that's where the Largo was. If you didn't see the last video, I popped it open, and now we have a key. So I have saw in a YouTube video that there is like a hidden quantum Largo, or like, no, Portal. And well, I didn't see like a video on where that was, but I know that there is one. So that's honestly pretty exciting. Exciting news. It kind of seems like we're going the wrong way. Honestly.
I said no. I said no. I said no.
Okay. So we're going like the
I
right direction.
said no.
Is there like that opening door thingy anywhere around here? Because it looks like that door is like closed. Oh yes. Tis right here. I'll data. Hello. I'ma get to you. Don't know how, don't know why. Well, actually, I know exactly why, and I don't know how though, but that is what we are trying to do in today's video. So, you guys are excited. As excited as I am, drop a like, drop a subscribe, come on, we can do it, no, but yeah, drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a, I don't know, notification bell, but today, women and I don't know. Ladies and oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen,
Why don't you eat your chicken nuggets?
we are. That is our goal. Yes, come on. Yes, I did it. Okay, I'm waiting for my 200 to come up. Nope, I can't go there, but I think I can just make the jump. If I just wait. Okay. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure I could just like go here to there.
You think you get shower? Hurry up.
If we look, it looks like we're almost there. I didn't know if there was like any other way, and if there is, I'm done. I hope if there's a vault here, but if there's not, then I'm super dumb. Oh wait, yes there is. Okay. Are you ready? I am not ready for this. Okay. Let's open up this baby. Wow, guys. I hope we didn't just waste it, but I'm not sure that we just did. I don't know what this is. Do we have to give more things? Okay, that looks like a quantum. Oh, okay, so I just need a bunch of quantums? I mean, it looks like it. Okay, so 2, 4, and 6. I'll just bring 7 quantum slimes. That's crazy, guys. So we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully we can get it all in this one video. You'll see. But guys, we unlocked an area, which that already is like a major like thing. I don't know what to say, honestly. I'm gonna try to get some fruits because they eat fruits. I think mostly or only. I'm just gonna grab every single one that I could see. Or like every single quantum. It doesn't even have to be like quantum. Oh, you disappeared. Hello. Where are you? Well, is there any fruits? Have you guys seen any fruits around? Because I'm pretty sure they only eat fruits. With magic. Okay. Quantum. Hello. No! Did I lose my freaking phase lemon? No, I did not. There's no phase lemon drops in there. Hi. You're hungry, huh? Well, I'm going to get to work on getting you some food now. Blueberry. Miss Mike. What's down there? Ah! Fall down. Imagine I'd literally start crying. Literally, though. You know, I've been doing some thinking, and me and the Tars are pretty alike. Like, very much indeed alike. You know, we both die from water. We both, we don't eat fun, but, you know, we, some sort of way do. Okay, so we have like wait, okay. Oh, so many Lord. Give me a floor. Floors, anyone? Oh wait, I have 7. Let me make that 8. Okay, I'm pretty sure we can do this in this episode. Just bear with me. Sorry, I almost died. On an adventure. This video is definitely going up. Cause what the heck, y'all? Even if I don't do this in this video is already crazy. Okay? Crazy, I think. Drop it down below so you don't look at it. That could be interesting. Okay, we're all good. Okay. We are going to put in floors. Hopefully they're all quantum slimes because I don't even know for sure if they were all quantum slimes, but they all look like quantum slimes, so So we'll see. If they're not, I'm gonna be so sad, like literally so sad. But I'm pretty sure I have way more than enough. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna stand right here. What? What's going on? What is going on? What's going on? E? No. E? What's going on? Let me see. What does it say? Okay. What does Where am I? Did I go someplace? It looks like I teleported. Teleported, guys. I'm in the glass desert. This is crazy. Whoa. I know that. I think some rainbow slime or something is here. I don't really know for sure. Like a tornado slime. Honestly, I'm just excited. Whoa, what is that? Nothing? What are you? Are you just a hen? It looks... Oh! That's cool. Wait. No? Nothing? Darvish slime, come back here. I don't know if I'm gonna need you or not. Or want you, I should say. What's here? Hello, more Darvish ones. Whoa, yes, that is the tornado one that I saw. Okay. Guys. I'm honestly not processing this. What is this? Oh. That's just really cool. Hello, Darvish slime. I won't let one of you go. The glass desert is a fascinating place, but you need to be on guard. At any moment, a dangerous solar anomaly, whatever, will break loose for a spell. You know when you see it? Okay. What's here? This is all a Cordo. Painted head. And then look. There's another vault. Let's open. Whoa, something's back there. I don't know if that's just the teleport back home. I'm gonna see if I can just get this. I don't know what it is. Meat. Okay. Oh, okay, so he loves painted slime. Hello, I need all of my meaty friends. Thank you. Thank you. Any more meated friends? Oh, he ate a flirt. That's cute. But this is crazy, guys. The video is probably about to end right now, but... Okay, I'm too good. Oh, what happens? Do I need to take cover? Like, my screen is getting all red. What's happening? What's happening? I'm gonna put on 5 minutes timer. What's happening? What's happening? I see blue over there. Fire. What is that? Oh. What? Oh my. There's so much fire. Ah, I'm scared, Gordo. Y'all, what is all of this fire? No! I'm so scared right now. Nowhere I go is safe. Hey, wait, what's in there? I feel so confused. I need more meat. Did it end or did I just go away from it? Either way, I'm safe, I think. Whoa! Hello. This is so cool. Whoa! I think I need to bring like water or something. Let's read. Okay, so I think I need to get that water thing and then just bring them water. Hopefully. Oh, I need to give them a rock sign. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna bring a couple rock swords down here, maybe? But guys, this is crazy. Cray cray. Oh no. Okay, so I think I want that. Hello, hand. Hello, hand. Where is... Oh, you just got born, huh? I know that we're probably not gonna pop this Gordo right now, but I'm just trying to feed as much as I can. So, next time I don't have to like, you know, feed. But I want to find that slime that looks like it because I know that it's probably here somewhere. But I just don't know where it is. But it's not over until it's over. So, Twister. Like, what I mean by... No, my face on it. Where's my face on it? Did you eat it? Ugh. I need my painting hands. You guys are her favorite. I thought those were new. Stony hand. Okay, I'm sorry, Pogo Fruit. I truly don't need you right now. This is so crazy. Okay, so cray, but okay. A chicken or a hen? Hey, hen. If you don't pop right now, I'm gonna take all of these out. These painted hens look cool. Oh, come on. Any chickens, hens wanna come over here? You guys heard, that was my timer. I'm sad because I want to keep on, hello, looking at all of this cool stuff. Oh. What are you? I need to know what you are. Curiosity gets the best of me. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna have a key, but maybe it'll come with the little signs and that'd be awesome. Cause I want it. What's back here? What's this? Weird. I don't feel like I've explored very much, but I do know that the Gordo is right there. But we have to get home, I feel, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna get out of here, and probably in the next video, I'll probably be back home, because I'm gonna do it off camera. But thank you guys for watching. This has been a crazy and wild episode. I'm gonna just keep on collecting every chicken that I see, but I'm not gonna come back until the next episode. I promise you guys. I won't let curiosity get the best of me. Just because I feel like that's not fair to you guys, because you guys are literally why I made this channel. Quite literally. Wait, so there is two. How peculiar. No, I came this way. Thanks. No. I came this way. No. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll end out the video here.